morning. Welcome back. We are opening up January's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus today. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned, like, subscribe, and we're going to be doing many more videos like this in the future. So let's dig right in. I haven't opened it yet. So did anybody else get offended or feel attacked by Ipsy this month? Okay, so I've got everything is kind of loose. And my add-ons are inside too, I think. Let me make sure my add-ons are off to the side, and we'll go through our add-ons at the end. One of the things I'm going to end up giving to my sister, so that. So this month's bag, so I felt offended, but we'll get to that. This month's bag is the Dream Bag. It's like very digital little words. The theme, is to dream up what your plans are going to be this year, manifest them, let them come to life, right? All right. So I'm going to start with the things that they chose for me. This came all messy. But this is the $1 billion brows, the best brow toolkit ever. Anybody else during quarantine have horrible brow situation right now? I think they all knew. I think they knew what is going on. And here, take care of them brows at home, right? That's why I felt offended. That's why I felt personally attacked by Ipsy. So we've got a brush with a spoolie at one end and like a contour on the other side to help contour out those brows after we cut them, trim them, and pluck them. This set retails for like $40 or something, I think. I forgot. So we've got a pretty good set of tweezers. We've got little trim scissors, and we've got a spoolie and a contour brush. And that's in our $1 billion brow kit. I haven't ever tried or had anything from that company, but I've heard great things. The next product that was chosen for me, I wouldn't have chose this for myself, but it's out of my comfort zone. That's why. But I'm glad. I'm glad because sometimes you just need those kinds of colors for some things. Sorry, I have a call coming in. So this is by Laura Sanchez. This is what the sleeve looked like. And it's her Moods palette. And it's either this or my add-on. One of my products is by a company that is Puerto Rican owned, and the other one is Colombian owned. I hope I'm getting that right. I think this might be the one that's Puerto Rican owned, which we love supporting any minority type of companies. I love that. As soon as I heard about Beauty Bakery, I was out. I was like, let's get it. We do already have some fallout though, which I'm surprised about. But these are our eyeshadows. The tops are all mattes and the bottom row are all shimmers. Then we have kind of like, I guess they're both highlighters. It's just, and actually this one came out more pink. More of like a pink shimmer, as opposed to this one that did come out more like a bronzy shimmer. I do not have my tripod today, and so it's kind of makeshift right now. And it did come with a double-ended brush. We've got a big old fluffy brush and more of an edge brush here. So it's really pretty, out of my comfort zone, but you know what? That's a perfect way to get out of your comfort zone, is buy bags like this, buy unboxings like this. So the names of these pans are pictures other than the actual highlighters. The back of the sleeve all have pictures as their names. Isn't that fun? That's different. All right, now on to what I chose. All right, in the first category, I think that's the first category. Let me just grab everything out. They're also preparing us for a Glam Bag X, which I think if you did subscribe to Glam Bag X, I think you're getting charged the end of this month or next month, because I think February is the first month for Glam Bag X, and it gives some kind of spoilers here, which is the equivalent, kind of, it seems like, to our BoxyCharm Luxes. You will get 5 items, 5 full-size items in your Lux, but it is $55. And like I said, here's our Dream It theme. They are also encouraging you guys to try the Refreshments, which is also a new service with mostly skincare products. So what is this? Okay, that's this, and then that, I think, is the way. So in my first category, choice category, I chose the Pure Luri's, the Blue Lotus Blooming Balancing Moisturizer. So that's what this looks like. That's what the packaging looked like. And I've heard great things about this moisturizer, and I think this ran right around $38. I didn't. Usually I take notes on everything first, because unlike BoxyCharm, our little card in here does not come with the information on the product, which I'm fine with, because if you have the app or if you go online, all of that information is on there, and you get to pick 3 of these 5 items anyway, so you know what you're getting. It's just, you need, like when you're doing videos, you need another device to be able to do that. Okay, this is from the YC collection, and this is from the other Latina-owned company. It's called Let Me First Primer. So in that Blue Lotus, I didn't really notice any kind of scent. I wanted to let you guys know. This also is closed. This comes out, I think, pretty pink. Yep, as you can tell. Slightly pink toned. But I think this does go ahead and blend out clear. Translucent. It's very soft. I like that. It almost feels like a and it smells so good. It's very perfumey. Very perfumey. It smells very good. Almost like a moisturizing primer. My last choice item, is by LaRouche. I don't know if that's the way you pronounce it. That's what I'm hearing everybody say, but I thought it would be LaRouche. It's L-A-R-U-C-E. This is their denim brush collection. It is so pretty. So we have a flat powder brush. These are super soft brushes. This is a little bit more dense, but still very, very soft. And they're so cute. Last month, I actually got another brush set by the same company, except they were black here and almost like, still black, but a shiny, not like a matte black even. I'm not sure. It was really, really pretty though. And I'm almost afraid to use them because they're so pretty. But this set, I'm not going to be afraid of. These I'll be diving into. This is a blush brush. Very soft, not as dense. The primer smells so good. I don't think it's going to be everybody's cup of tea, but I think I smell it. It almost reminds me of something that I wore as a teenager. A highlighter brush. So this was a 5-piece set. I think this retailed for like $150, this set. We got another flat brush here. And then we have a taper blending brush. I am super excited about that. Now for the add-ons. This is called Hola Neon. It is a lip lacquer. Really pretty packaging. Let's swatch that for you. Wow. And it comes on thick. That's really pretty. And it's thick, so you know it's going to be long wear. I think that's a really pretty color. It's exactly what I was hoping for. The last add-on that I have is by Kate Somerville. I accidentally purchased it thinking it was Exfoliate, which is my exfoliant right now, which I love. I use it at least once or twice a week, and I highly recommend it. But this is actually the Eradicate Daily Foaming Cleanser. I think my sister is going to get more use out of this. I think she would like this a lot. This is the tube that it comes in. I'm gonna go ahead and open it to smell it because the Exfoliate smells really good. This does have a scent to it. I can't put my finger on what it is, but it does smell good. It's a very light scent. All right, so that is our January Glam Bag Plus from Ipsy this month. What did you guys choose? Did you get any of the same items that I did? Were you personally offended by Ipsy, by your brow kit? It was the first thing, as soon as I opened the page for Choice on Choice Day was, here you go, tame those brows, girl. Get that taken care of. If you are following me, thank you. I have been trying to up my subscribers. I would love one day eventually to go ahead and get monetized. I'm here, I'm at home with 2 boys. My oldest is 9. We are doing remote learning, so excuse, I know I'm a hot mess today. And then I've got a 2-year-old running around being a crazy person most of the time. So as your theme says, dream it and let it manifest this year. And that's what I'm hoping for. So if you like these kinds of videos, go ahead, like and subscribe. When I get to milestones, I will be doing giveaways. Makeup, skincare, what have you. You'll be able to see things that I will probably be putting into. I will announce, like, this product is going to go into my skincare pile, my giveaway pile, things like that. And go ahead and subscribe, get the word out, tell your friends. And probably today is Tuesday. I'm gonna guess tomorrow my BoxyCharm Premium will be here, and I'm super excited about that. There's going to be an Ofra palette in there, which is why I signed up for Premium in the first place, and I cannot wait to see what else. Come join me in that this week, okay? Thank you.